Hello, I am Singh
Hi, myself
and
Drishti Vani.
recently
I have
complete my
completed my internship
internship
with Unified
program
Mentor
from
as a full stack
Unified
web
Mentor
development
of
intern. It
three
was a
months,
great learning
and
experience.
it's been a
I got to
great
work on the
where
projects
I
like weather
really
app, which
start
uses
learning
API
some new
integration, or
things,
student
and
teacher
I
booking
hope
appointments,
it will
which
help
also uses
to
Firebase and Cloud
improve my
Firestore.
future.
I had such a great time working on this
Hello, I
project,
am
which
Singh and
makes my knowledge
recently
or
complete
my
my
theoretical knowledge worked into the
internship
practical ones.
program from
It improved
Unified
my skills
Mentor
in
of
HTML,
three
CSS,
months,
JavaScript,
and
and
it's been a
also I
great
happened to learn
where
new
I
skills like React,
really
Node,
start learning some
and
new things,
Firebase as well.
and I hope
I had
it
such a
will
great
help
time. Overall,
to
the
improve
mentors
my
in
future.
Unified Mentor are so supportive. Any doubts can be solved
Hello,
if I
I
message
am
them or
Singh
call them in any
and
time, which
recently
was a
complete
great thing,
my
which makes every task
internship
easier.
program from
Thank you,
Unified
Unified Mentor,
Mentor
for
of
giving me
three
this
months,
opportunity, and I'll
and
recommend to
it's been
all
a
the students to
great
gain the
where
work
I
experience and the
really
real life
start learning
experience through
some
this.
new things,
Thank you.
and I